Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Darche Full Moon Chair. It's an ultra-wide, overbuilt moon chair, and it's designed for serious comfort, whether you're at the campsite, the picnic, watching the kids play sport, or if you're at the beach, watching the waves roll in. So it's made from a 1200D canvas, and it's sitting on a powder-coated steel frame, which is rated to 200 kilos. So not only is it seriously comfortable, but it's durable and made to last. Inside, you get a crushed memory foam padding, which gives the chair a proper throne-like feel, while still being tough enough for outdoor use. So Darche has included internal mesh pockets, as well as a side organizer for your gear. There's even a cup holder on the side that'll fit your can and its stubby cooler. The whole chair actually packs down to the included zip-up carry bag as well. Weighs in at 8.7 kilos, so it is solid, but it's easy enough to transport. And so that is the Darche Full Moon Chair. Seriously strong on the outside, unbelievably comfortable on the inside, and when you finally get to sit down and just melt into the chair and enjoy where you are.